You are going to love the 2018 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, trailering package, 4-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.